I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Enchanted Forest board game. Your main goal is to be the first player to find 3 specific treasures hidden beneath the forest trees. You'll move around the board, peeking under trees to discover what treasures are there. Once you think you know where a treasure is, you'll go to the king's castle to make your guess. It's a game of memory and a little bit of luck. To begin your turn, you will roll one 6-sided die. This roll dictates how many spaces you can move your pawn along the path. If you land on a tree space, you get to secretly look at the treasure token hidden underneath it. It's crucial to remember what treasure is under which tree, as this information will be vital for your success later in the game. Keep those memories sharp. Once you've discovered a treasure and remember its location, your next step is to move your pawn to the king's castle space. When you arrive, you must declare which treasure you believe is hidden under a specific tree. For example, you might say, "The magic ring is under the oak tree." If your guess is correct, you collect the corresponding treasure card and continue your quest for more. The ultimate goal in Enchanted Forest is to be the first player to successfully collect 3 unique treasure cards. Each treasure card represents a correct guess made at the king's castle. As soon as one player has gathered 3 distinct treasures, the game concludes immediately, and that player is declared the winner. It's a race against your opponents to see who has the best memory and a bit of luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.